So we're starting off with this big blue rectangle, and let's say we want to make it bigger, and then we want to make it smaller. So it's going to need to have two states. And keep it simple by just making it a Boolean, because a Boolean has two states. And then whenever we press this button down here that conveniently is a circle to indicate that it changes state, we do a set state, and we set state to the opposite state. So basically, this just makes it flip-flop between the two states. So in order to animate this container using the implicit animation, which is the nice and simple one, only thing you have to do is do animated container. You'll see we have an error because we need to define a duration, so how long this animation is going to last. We're going to just do 2 seconds. Now nothing happens here because remember we need to change the property within the animated container so we can actually do the animation. Right now it's just statically 200. But if we do state and we say depending whether it's true or false, we want to change it between 100 and 200. We save that. Now we're able to click this and you see the width animates to the other size. And that's how easy using the implicit animations is. Now we can do the same exact thing with height. And then we can change the state here, and you see it changes how big our little rectangle here is. And we can even nest animations. So we can have a child here with animated padding. Duration, we're also going to make it a duration of 2 seconds. I'm going to add a child that says hey, and then we need to actually add the padding here. So padding, we do edge insets.all, and then depending on our state, we will either have 35 padding or 8 padding. So we see our little hey widget is almost in the middle. When we make it bigger, it goes all the way to the corner. And we can create these whole animations just by using the animated whatever widget we want and by changing this little property. And that's how you create implicit animations. Let's get into the more complicated explicit animations.